everyone, it's Alisha and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create a Diwali look. It's going to be very soft, very neutral, but we're going to go thoda extra on the lips. Without any further ado, let's get started. For the moisturizer, I am using the Roche Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. It is very hydrating, and if you use this, you don't need a primer, you can skip it. You really need a very small amount, and just make sure you have it all over your face and be very gentle to your skin. Like a little goes a long way. So we're good. I will be using the Forever 52 concealer. I'm going to tone darker to my skin tone to cover any blemishes or any pigmentation. So I'm going to use it around my under eye, here. So it covers any unevenness in your skin. For foundation, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It is not matte, it gives you a luminous finish, which I want for this look. Placing this foundation all over my face. I want a very soft finish, so I'm not using a lot of foundation. If you prefer using a sponge, you can use a sponge. If you prefer using a flat brush, you can use that. So do not drag it, because it's going to remove all the foundation and the layer underneath. Just dab it into your skin. So after using this brush, I am going to go with my beauty sponge to make sure everything is distributed evenly. I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer. It is one of my favorite concealer. It is affordable as well as gives amazing coverage. I'm going to use it under my eyes. On the bridge of my nose. Using this brush from Pack Cosmetics in 219, and I absolutely love this brush. I usually use it for my concealer and it gives amazing finish. To set my under eye to prevent creases, so what I usually do is I take a powder puff, take a little bit of loose powder, and then just remove off the excess on the back of my hand. Then I go with my beauty blender. I remove any makeup that has settled under my under eye or in the crease, and then I take this and then just set it. That's it. Make sure you press it and not drag it. To set the face, I am using the same loose powder. Is I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. I just love this palette, it's very affordable as well. I'm going to use this shade. And then I'm going to go with this shade into my crease. So next I am using a shimmer shade and then placing it all over the lid. I'm going to create a smudge liner with this shade. Just make sure you tap off the excess, and any darker shade from your palette would work. This is how it's supposed to look. For under eyes, I am using a cool tone brown shade. Once my face, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette. So I'm going to use this blush from K-Beauty in the shade Coral Charm. So for this product, less is more. So make sure you take less amount. The MAC Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Raw Silk. This works like magic. Just see. Some on the Cupid's bow. We're going to do the eyebrows. I'm using the MAC Eyebrow Definer. It is amazing. I'm going to use this shade closest to my eyebrow color. So for the lips, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Red. This shade Spicy Sangria from Love Earth. One more lip shade from Swiss Beauty in Cute Nude. Yeah. Nice. So this is the Diwali look that I've created for you all. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I loved creating this look, and I hope you learned something from this. And if you want such videos, leave a comment below, and if you recreate this look, I hope you guys will tag me. The links are in the description box below. And remember, life is short, so make every moment count. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and keep slaying those fruits. Bye bye.